and organized by Jill De La Torre since the early 90s. When modulation on community band have been fragmented and without directions, with most frequencies so occupied with unnecessary modulation or estimated by jammer, that when the need to call for immediate radio assistance and for relay of urgent message, the responsible communicator, when available, called early cope with the exigency, sadly most of the time we has unavailable. To help remedy the situation, some responsible communicator band themselves into a developmental radio group that is truly responsive to the need of the community. This is the Kabalikat Civicom Association Incorporated. This group subsequently developed into a nationwide communication network of civic communicators. Become a prime mover, immediately or at the soonest possible time responded to any exigencies or emergencies that arose. The Kabalikat was founded in response to a need, that of raising the status of communicator to a position of high responsibility and importance, as well as to enable radio authorized to actively participate in public assistance, especially during calamities and emergencies. The Kabalikat Civicom is registered and authorized by the National Telecommunication Commission or NTC to operate several buses, mobile and portable radios to communicate with duly authorized stations nationwide. The Kabalikat Civicom has been granted NTC Authorized Network License Number Romeo 4 Foxtrot Bravo 365794 with the station call sign Delta Victor Golf -850. Any civic-minded radio communicator can apply for membership with the Kabalikat. Applicants should pass the interview and must be able to attend the required operation the general membership meeting as announced. He must be affiliated with any other group or Kabalikat member are required to advise 10-8 or check in for the net in their respective chapter every day. When breaking in advice call sign at once for Easy Pura. During the net, avoid patch up unless it is urgent. Do not entertain interference such as jammer or 1096 at all times. Always monitor first before breaking in the frequencies.
Malitong lang. Ang pudong nga, hindi bang pudong?
A modulation may be in progress.
Hindi na.
This will avoid you on stating on weak signal. Give a close between over 40 seconds.
Ay, di si mama sa mama.
This is to allow weak station with emergency traffic to make contact. The Balikat station should have the responsibility to monitor and assist all traveling members within its area of responsibilities. Unlit safe member request 1040. All buses of members shall report any unusual incidents, including fire, vehicular assistance, crimes, emergencies, and other event that may require assistance of the organization. All members are required to participate and cooperate in any mass bus operations, such as civic assistance, environmental, or in rescue operations. All members must exercise camaraderie, observe brotherhood, and adhere to unity. Modulation on air regarding matters that are detrimental to the interests of the group should be avoided. Full word is strictly prohibited. Unexplained or unjustifiable absences during the net or during the general membership meeting shall be pinched heavily. Likewise, talking control to other frequencies is strictly prohibited. The use of sir or ma'am during modulation is a must, and the use of 10 codes is encouraged for brevity and property. As a general rule in trafficking, a first call first served basis must be observed. Emergency should be given priority. To break shall mean priority call, and 3 break shall mean urgent. Today is February 12, 2025, and we conduct this evening net call. I'm on 37 Alpha Oscar Papa. Handle is Alvin, transmitting Barangay Isip City, Nalahala, Rizal. The net is now still open, and I'm calling for a base, portable or mobile station who wants to check in. This evening net call, this is 37 Alpha Oscar Papa. Handle is Alvin, now standby.